welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. If you already subscribed to my channel, thanks for coming back to watch this video. If you are not subscribed, I hope you'll enjoy this video enough to want to subscribe. I like to do Dollar Tree hauls, different hauls from different stores. I like to do some crafting. Today I have an unboxing and a project share. Kokorosa Studios reached out to me and asked if I would like to work with them, and I decided yes, that I would like to do that. I was given some links and told I could order some dies and stamps, so I picked out some dies. And so I picked out this die, and I'm pretty sure this is going to leave like the dots in here, or like, you know, like on the edges. So I picked that out. I picked this out for like some lace, and then this is some flowers with some leaves, and then a watering can, so some flowers, and then this little honey pot. So I'm going to go ahead and work on a project with this die right here, and I already have some of the paper cut up that I want to use for this project. Okay, so this is my card base. And then I cut this using this die from here. Well, most of the holes came out, but this is a different type of paper. It's like thick, but you can see they're popping out very easy. My friend Teresa from Carolina Bug made me this pokey tool for my birthday challenge. I need to make a couple more so I don't just use this one up and ruin this one. I bought all the stuff to make them. I just haven't tried to make one yet. Okay, so there's that. And then I did this white piece with the neck size. Okay, so we have these two dies for this on the outside. This die right here, and I didn't use it on the inside. And so now I used this die here to cut out the sentiment for the inside. And I'm just going to go ahead and give out a little bit of ink. Now I cut this butterfly out with this die. You hear my puppy down there. I just cut this sentiment out on my Cricut. When the caterpillar thought the world was over, it became a butterfly. And then I just cut this. I'm going to mount this onto here. All right, let me put a little bit of ink on here. Okay, so we made this card using this die, and I love it. I think it just is gorgeous. I don't know what else I could do to add anything here, but I think that it's very pretty, and I think the person that's going to, I hope the person that it's going to will enjoy it. Okay, so the next project share I'm going to do with the Kokorosa die. It's with this die here, and I'll insert a picture of how it came. You're going to take your clear watermark stamp. I know most of you already know how to do this, but some may not. And you just take your embossing powder I need to get one of those stamping pads. Is anyone else a messy crafter? I am such a messy crafter. It's like I can't pick up after myself until I'm finished. Okay, and so you want to make sure you get all the excess off. Or it is going to melt on here too. So I know there's this little bag, like it's like a anti-static. I just wonder if it keeps it from making, you know, staticky on here. And I was thinking, I wonder if you could just use a tire sheet. Okay. Okay, so there's a little bit of freckles on there, but I like the way it turned out. Okay, so I need to get the staticky thing, so that way some of the powder doesn't want to stick to your paper. But I'm okay with this. I'm happy with this. Okay, I've got my card already, and this is the first time that I have rounded my corners on the ATC, but I don't know. I just went ahead and done that to this one. So now I need to get my placement of everything. Okay, what she'll just have to do is leave this stick out the top of it, because this has to go on here like this. We've got these that need to go under here. So that's what these cut. So I just want to get like a little bouquet going here, different colors. I think we're going to have too much there, aren't we? So let's see. Okay, so I want to put a little bit of ink on here, just to give it a little bit of dimension. Just gonna give just a little bit of ink around here. Now I like to mix these two greens together. Here's my final project. This ATC card will be going to a crafty new friend, and I really hope she enjoys this. Of course, there's some things that I see I wish I would have done. I wish I would have put a couple of these together, give them just a little bit more lift, but I did give these some dimension here. And then it just looks so plain. I just went ahead and put the gems right here too. And I think that that was just a little bit better. I wish I'd have raised this up a little bit more, raised that up a little bit too. It looks just a little too flat, but so she'll have to put it down in her sleeve. But it'll fit, it'll work. I like it. I think it's cute. I gotta put my information on the back still, but I think she'll like it, and I hope Kokorosa likes this, and I hope Kokorosa likes my card. And then I have one more video coming to show you 2 more dies from Kokorosa. That'll be coming up in a few days, maybe a couple days, I'm hoping. But okay. So that's it for right now, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. I appreciate you all so much for watching this video. I will have everything linked down in the description, and I will have a discount code, and I will have Kokorosa's website link. And I just want to thank Kokorosa for reaching out to me and working with me and giving me a chance to work with them and use their product. I really like this die. I think this is super cute. All right, thank you all so much. Have a great weekend.